Greetings, my friends! Today we are working on a Little Mermaid inspired project. This is Aleks, she's our costume designer.
Hi.
My name is Anna. Now let's get to work. First we gotta prepare for the project. Now let me show you what I've got at the fabric store. This is a green sequin fabric, matching companion fabric for the tail. This purple sequin is going to be like here on the top. Shimmer in organza. It kind of changes the color a little bit. And we're going to pair it up with a tulle mesh knot, also sparkly. Aleks also drew a sketch for this project. Let me show it to you close up. Right now, Aleks is doing a mock-up version of our corset. Now the base of the corset is ready. Here it is. And Aleks is currently in process of making like a cup pattern. The idea is to make those cups to look like a seashells. And we will see how it works because we've never done like a seashell top before. Now the difference is clearly visible. Here, the puff is inside and this one is empty. It's the morning of next day and we're shooting Little Mermaid costume.